Hey gang, what's up? I'm Lawrence.
And I'm Sandy.
Welcome back to SNL Get Real. Today we're going to share a recipe with you that is near and dear to our hearts, which is
salad rolls.
Vietnamese salad rolls. Now this is a staple for us. We like using this for lunch, snacks, even the kids like it.
Yeah.
Amazingly enough. So give us 2 seconds and we'll meet you in the kitchen for Vietnamese salad rolls. Alright gang, Vietnamese salad rolls. This is one of our favorites because it's easy to make, it's low calorie, packed with delicious vegetables, and it's really awesome. So let's start off with the ingredients that we're going to need. Regular iceberg lettuce, some bean sprouts, we got some carrot, cilantro, sorry honey, back over this way, some thin vermicelli noodles. Here, can you focus up here for a sec, baby? This is the brand we get from our Asian market. The Vietnamese noodles come compressed like this, and all you gotta do is soak them for like 10 minutes in hot water. If you do not have access to these noodles, you can use regular thin rice noodles, which will work just fine. And also rice paper wraps. Now when you buy them from the store, you're going to want to look in your Asian aisle, or if you got an Asian supermarket that you can go to and pick these up. They're basically rice paper rolls that are dried. We're going to soak these in water and wrap up our delicious vegetables. And also, grilled chicken is optional. Now the way I prepared this, I just thinly sliced it, marinated it in a bit of dark soy sauce, and just kind of cooked it in a pan with some cooking spray to minimize our fats, of course. So that's the chicken, that's optional. You can also use boiled shrimp, or just keep it totally vegetarian using the ingredients we have here. Okay, I'll just show you how we like to prep our vegetables. So these are just some regular iceberg lettuce leaves that we have washed. So what I do with the lettuce leaves is I just take a couple, kind of roll them up, and just thinly slice them. I like to thinly slice them because you can pack a lot in your rolls, plus the texture is really good once you do them this way. Another good tip is pick up all these stainless steel bowls from like your local dollar store. They're $1 each, and they make prep so easy because you can have all your ingredients kind of laid out before you, in front of you, and it makes things a lot easier. So again, with the lettuce, a couple of leaves, roll them up, and just thinly slice these bad boys. Okay, now for carrot, where's our vegetable here? Now for carrot, if you want to get these like really thin matchsticks, this is our tip. You just take a vegetable peeler and kind of take a few slices like so with your vegetable peeler. Okay, now just stack up these little slices. And just make your matchsticks. Look at that. Easy peasy. Okay, now to assemble these bad boys, you just take your rice paper wrap. This is just a bowl with warm tap water. You just want to soak it in there for about 10-15 seconds. You'll feel it once it starts getting malleable. It'll just get really soft. Almost like you see, once it starts kind of falling apart on itself there, it's really soft. Be very careful taking it out. Put it on your cutting board. A plastic cutting board works best because it doesn't stick to this as much. Then you're going to grab some of your noodles. That's why I like these noodles. They already kind of come compressed. But like I say, if you only have regular rice noodles, just put a layer of your rice noodles down. Some of your meat, or your shrimp, or if you want to use boiled tofu. Again, if you want to nix this part out, totally fine. Grab a bit of your lettuce, bean sprouts, a little bit of cilantro. You can also add Thai basil or mint. It's really up to you. Even if you want to use different vegetables than we have the ones here, you can totally use that. No rules when it comes to cooking. And now some of your matchstick carrots. Now to roll it, all you want to do is turn it over itself, like so. Keeping everything inside. Fold once, fold once, and bring it all the way. Voila! One roll down, easy peasy. Okay, let's make another one. Once again, you soak your wrap. Just kind of soak it in the hot water there, wait till it gets soft. There you go, you can kind of see it falling apart on itself a little bit there as you move it around. That's when it's ready. So carefully take it out. Lay it on your cutting board. Some of your rice noodles. Meat. Meat. A few bean sprouts. Some lettuce. Your cilantro. A few carrots. And you tuck this in nice and tight. Fold one side. Hold the other side. And it's so sticky that it just kind of sticks on itself when you roll it. Voila! These are perfect on-the-go meals. You can pack them in a container for lunch. Cut them up, serve them. You got a delicious appetizer. And now we'll turn it over to Sandy for the delicious dipping sauce. Action!
Hey guys, for the sauce, you're going to want hoisin sauce and some powdered peanut butter. There's PB&Me and I think there's that P2 butter as well. Both work just as fine. Put some hoisin sauce in the bowl, as much as you think you're going to need. No measuring needed here. A couple spoonfuls of your powdered peanut butter. You mix that up. Becomes a little thicker. And what I like to do is add just a little bit of water, just to make it a little less thick. And that's it. That's it for the sauce, guys. You ready to dip your salad rolls in here and enjoy? And you add some water. Just a little bit of water. And play around with it. There you go. There's your peanut sauce. Easy peasy.
Action!
Hey guys, for the sauce, you're going to want hoisin sauce and some powdered peanut butter. There's PB&Me and I think there's that P2 butter as well. Both work just as fine. Put some hoisin sauce in the bowl, as much as you think you're going to need. No measuring needed here. A couple spoonfuls of your powdered peanut butter. You mix that up. Becomes a little thicker. And what I like to do is add just a little bit of water, just to make it a little less thick. And that's it. That's it for the sauce, guys. You ready to dip your salad rolls in here and enjoy? And you add some water. Just a little bit of water. And play around with it. There you go. There's your peanut sauce. Easy peasy.
Alright gang, that was our Vietnamese salad roll recipe. Easy, quick, delicious.
And now we can enjoy them. Cheers.
I'd eat them, but I'm starting the potato hack, which is a video coming soon today for a couple of days. But man, that looks delicious. How is it?
So good.
Okay. Alright, as always, we're going to have the recipe down below for you, as well as the macro count. But excellent, low, near zero fat recipe for you to use. A nice tool in your arsenal. Till next time. Peace.